we have the car assembly. Now we want to create the drawing. So let's go to File, New Drawing, use default template, OK. And then go to Browse, and in my car directory I have the car assembly with all the components. Okay, so pick the car assembly, open, and use template, and browse. We want to use the A drawing. Okay, so the computer automatically put the top view, front view, right side view of the car. The scale is a little bit too small, so let's double click and set the scale to half scale. So on the paper it's a half size, and we want to move the view. So we have to unlock the view first, and then we can move the view so we have some space for the dimensions. Okay, and once we move to the correct position, we want to lock the view. We want to show the major dimensions, but we have too many dimensions, so we want to add our own. So go to Annotate and do the dimension, and we want to first do the overall width. So we want to zoom in this area and then pick this small line on this side, and then we want to zoom out, and then we zoom in, and then we hold on to the Control key and also select this line on the right hand side, and then the computer will be smart enough to know that we want to do the dimension between the two lines. So we want to put the dimension between these two views. It's a 215.1 millimeter. Okay, and that's the overall width. And then we want to do the overall height. Let's zoom in this area, the right side view. We want to get the height from this line to the tangent of this arc. Okay, so let's go to the select the tangent to do the arc dimension, and then select this tangent, select this arc to get the tangent. And also we want to select this top line. Okay, hold on to the Control key and also select this line, so then the computer picked the distance between the tangent line of this arc and the horizontal line. So we get the overall height of the robot car. Middle click to place that dimension. The next dimension is the total width. So let's go to the top view, and we want to select this line and hold on to the Control key and also select this line, and then we middle click here to place this dimension between these two lines. We want to make sure there's a small gap. Okay, so the small gap is not there. We need to select this dimension and then move this reference point to there to leave a small gap between the object line and the dimension line. Okay, and so now we have the three overall dimension for the robot car. We want to put the isometric view here, so we go to the layout, drawing view, general view, and no combined state. Okay, and pick the center point for the isometric view, and we want to set this orientation to isometric. And for this multi-view drawing, we can use the shaded mode. Okay, so we can just take that and then we say apply. Okay, we need to move this a little bit because there's some overlapping between the dimension and the view. So let's unlock the view and then move this isometric view a little bit to the right. So now we have a nice looking top view, front view, right side view, and the isometric view, shaded isometric view. We want to add the text, so let's go to annotate, note. We want to put a note here. So let's use the font as the blueprint, and select the height of 0.25, a quarter an inch. Okay, so we set the title to the robot car assembly. We want to use all uppercase. Okay, so the robot car assembly by your name. The robot car assembly by your name. Okay, and then we want to save this drawing. Go to File, Save As, save a copy, save that as car drawing. Okay, we also want to save that as a PDF file. Save that as a PDF. Okay, so go to File, Save As, save a copy, save that, change the file type to PDF. Where's PDF? Okay, so set the name to car and the extension will be PDF. Okay, and use the default. Okay, so now we have a professional looking drawing of the car assembly with the top view, front view, right side view with the overall dimension. Okay, and you can zoom in. You can see the hidden line is shown as a dashed line. The visible line is a thick continuous line, and that's a professional looking multi-view drawing. Okay, so you can submit your PDF file as the result for your car assembly.